In this video, I'll show you how to get paid per click, which is a new method to make free money online in the year 2021. This method is not only new, but it's also completely free and available globally. So first, let's see if you have everything you'll need to make this work. To begin, you'll need a laptop, a tablet, computer, or a smartphone. Number 2, you'll need access to the internet. And number 3, you'll need to know how to click. If you have those 3, you should be able to pull this off. Also, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video where I will give you a free tool that will place everything on total autopilot, so you can learn passively from those clicks. So stick around and watch until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let's get started. First and foremost, as you can see here, this strategy works globally. Anyone from anywhere can join this program and start earning money in minutes. And the best part is that you don't have to sell anything. This isn't an affiliate program. It's not a link shortening service, and people aren't required to sign up for anything. They don't need to spend any money. All they have to do is click, nothing more, nothing less. Therefore, this is really one of the simplest ways to start making money online on autopilot. So it may be a source of passive income for you. Here's the idea. You and I, along with 300 million other people in the world, have been using Google as our default or primary browser. You have been using Google to search the internet and surf the web for a long time. But for this technique, we will be using entireweb.com instead of Google. This website, like Google, is a free search engine, but the big difference between the two is that the entireweb.com will actually pay you for each click. To be more specific, it will pay you 20 cents for each click you get, or $4 for 20 clicks. Because Google is such a big competitor, they're paying you 20 cents per click because Google doesn't. And although both of these search engines are free, most people would rather use entireweb.com because it pays 20 cents per click, which is really good considering it's free. As a result, you should act quickly and take advantage of the second website, which I'll show you in a moment. All you have to do now is go to entireweb.com. Once you've arrived, click the menu button in the upper right corner to access all of the different categories, such as Home, Services, Free Submission, SEO, Ad Market, Affiliate, Directory, Advertise, and so on. But you must concentrate on only one category that will generate your money, and that is an affiliate. So simply click it, and don't worry because, as I previously stated, you do not have to sell anything or force people to buy or pay for anything. In fact, you'll be paid 20 cents per click if you can convince other people who use Google on a regular basis to use entireweb.com instead. And if they use your link, you'll be paid 20 cents for each click you get, which is incredible. As I previously stated, Google is used by approximately 300 million people in a daily basis, so there's a lot of potentials. Even if you only suggest 100 people to the website, you'll still be making a lot of money passively. As you can see, you'll be paid for every click you produce. And you can make up to 20 cents for each visitor, which is really great. The best part is that you'll have a high conversion rate because it's all completely free and simple. They simply need to surf the web, as usual, using entireweb.com. Anyone from anywhere in the world can join, and it's very simple to get started. Within minutes of signing up, you'll be up and running and earning money from your traffic. You'll see exactly how it works, how the dashboard looks, and how you can withdraw your money. For the time being, let me show you another amazing feature of this website. You will be paid using PayPal, and the minimum payout value is $50, which may seem like a lot. but you can easily earn $50 with this website and cash out and spend it on whatever you want. In order to continue, after you arrive at this page, you must click the Create Account button to sign up for a free account. Now, you must fill out some personal information about yourself, such as your first and last names. You will choose your own tracking ID. For example, you can type in some words or phrases that you like, such as my YouTube channel as the Everyday Money. So my tracking ID will be the Everyday Money. And then simply enter your email address for your account. Once you have done that, you'll need to enter additional information about yourself, and then simply fill out their payout methods however you want to be paid. The best thing is that PayPal is not the only payment options they have, but simply submit your PayPal email address and you will be paid as soon as you reach the payout threshold. Finally, read their terms and conditions and you're done. The entire sign-up procedure should take no more than 60 seconds. Now, you may start earning money for each click you produce, and this is what your dashboard will look like after you log in. Here are all of your campaigns, and if you click Home on the left-hand side, you can track your clicks and the amount of money you've earned. As you can see, since this is a new account, it will show 0 clicks and $0. But once we start getting clicks, these will change and we will begin receiving money, which we can then withdraw by clicking on the My Profile button on the left-hand side and requesting a withdrawal as soon as we reach the payout threshold. So in order to start receiving those clicks, you'll need to first obtain your affiliate link, which is right here on the top. This is your special link, and you'll need to copy it since you'll be paid 20 cents per click if someone clicks on it. So you're simply directing people to entireweb.com, where they can surf the web as they normally would using Google. And you've paid for each click, which is quite basic and simple. Furthermore, once you have copied your affiliate link, you may begin sharing it with others in order to create clicks and earn money. Sure, you can share your link on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and other social media platforms, and you can share it with your friends and family. And that will definitely get you some clicks and make you some money. But if you really want to set this up on autopilot and potentially reach millions of clicks, you need to use the strategy I'm about to share with you. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. So first, open Google Docs and create a blank page where you can create something quickly. And make a call to action for your special link that takes them to the entireweb.com. For instance, I typed "better than Google. Try this new and free search engine called Entire Web," and copied my affiliate link right here. It's important that you include your affiliate link so that people can click on it. And I usually say something along the lines of, "Try it in seconds and tell me if it's really better than Google or not." So include phrases like, "It's new and it's completely free." This will attract more people because they will realize right away that they don't need to buy anything, that they don't need to spend any money, and that they can just try it out for free and that it only takes seconds, not minutes or hours, that they can do it quickly and see if it's better than Google or not. And that they will now be paid 20 cents for each click they get. Obviously, this is only one of the alternatives. You can also create your own call to action and article with your own script, which might work even better. So once you've finished writing your article, go to the File button up top and click Download, then select PDF document to save it to your computer. And then take that PDF document to this website called slideshare.net, which we'll be using. Slideshare.net is viewed on a monthly basis by people from all over the world, according to SimilarWeb. Thus, you have the ability to reach over 107.24 million people with slideshare.net. The best thing is that you can share whatever article you have for free. Therefore, you'll be sharing your Google Documents content with your entire web affiliate link. In that way, you can get those clicks on complete autopilot. people that share articles on this website are getting millions of views. As you can see here, there are over 1 million views, over 4 million views, over 1 million views, and so on and so forth. So all you need to do is sign up by clicking on the sign up button right here on top. The sign up process takes no longer than 60 seconds. Once you sign in, just click on the upload button right here. Next, click select files to upload and select your PDF document. Then wait until it loads and then give it a title. So for example, I'll type in "this is better than Google" and "free" and then a little explanation underneath, along with your affiliate link, so I have a better chance of receiving more clicks. Next, select a category from the list and set the privacy to public so that everyone can see it. Next, add tags to it. The more tags you add, the more people you will attract. Finally, click publish and that's it. With this article, you have the ability to reach over 1 million individuals, allowing them to see and try entire web for themselves. On the other side, you will get paid 20 cents for every click that you produce, which converts to $4 for 20 clicks, $20 for 100 clicks, and $200 for 1,000 clicks. All of which are completely passive income that you can earn for free with this website. To earn $1,000, all you need is 5,000 clicks, which are easily achievable because all people have to do is click on your link and utilize the free search engine in the same way they do Google. So take advantage of this method and get started on making money as soon as possible, since in my opinion, this is one of the quickest ways to get started making money online and the best way to establish up a passive income stream. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.